This monkey wants to buy a banana. He goes to the banana stall with a few leaves in his hand. In this world, leaves are used as money. He gives some leaves to the shopkeeper and easily gets a banana. He feels very happy and thinks, wow, buying bananas is so easy. After some time, the monkey starts collecting more and more leaves. Soon, he has a big pile of leaves. Now he feels very rich and confident. He goes back to the banana stall and buys many bananas without any problem. Life feels perfect to him, but something changes. Now, every monkey in the jungle also has a lot of leaves. Everyone feels rich. All the monkeys run toward the banana stall to buy bananas at the same time. The demand suddenly increases, but the number of bananas is still the same. Seeing this, the shopkeeper monkey changes the price. Now, he asks for more leaves for just one banana. Our monkey is surprised. He gives a big pile of leaves, but this time he gets only one banana. The monkey feels confused and a little sad. He thinks, I have more leaves than before, but I can buy less bananas. Why is this happening? Then he understands the reason. When everyone has too many leaves, the value of leaves goes down. Leaves become less special, so more leaves are needed to buy the same banana. This is called inflation. When too much money is available, its value decreases and prices go up. So the lesson is simple. Having more money does not always mean you are richer. What really matters is the value of money.